Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When Tourists End Their U.S. Trip with Shoplifting Charges.
On October 17th, 2024, officers were called to Walmart after 3 individuals attempted to shoplift.
Where are you from?
Like
What country?
originally from India, but living in Australia at the moment.
Australia?
Yeah.
So you do that in Australia? Did you ever do that in Australia?
No.
Just take stuff without paying for anything?
No.
Okay. So if you don't do that over there, what makes you think you do this here? It doesn't make sense, right? No. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's head back. So you've been here less than a month
Yes.
and you're pulling stuff like this.
Yeah.
That's not a good start to your stay here in the United States. I don't think it is. Do you have is there a third person with you? Other than you and the young lady in the office?
Yeah, sister.
Your sister's here in Walmart?
Yeah.
Where is she at?
No idea.
You don't know.
At that moment, the sister was being escorted into the loss prevention office.
Go ahead and take a seat.
Hold on. You can decide it. Stand out here with both of them. I'm going to interview the other one first.
Okay. You guys have IDs?
And not the passport.
Okay. So did you explain a little bit what happened to the other officer?
Yes,
Okay.
that was not like something not planned. We just have to give to somebody as a gift. That what we stolen as a stuff, nothing else. We just stole it. We just have to give somebody as a gift some chocolates and something. So that's why we just stole it. That's just some of the sort of money. So nothing else. We just stole it.
I gotcha. I understand, but you gotta keep this in mind.
Yeah, I know, but I
A gift
no.
is gotta be given to somebody from you, not from another person. That's what you guys are trying to be doing, right?
Absolutely understand. We really made a mistake. I'm really sorry about that.
Okay. At the end of the day, it's still a crime. You guys understand it?
I know.
Okay. The worst that could happen is you guys go to jail. The best that could happen is that you guys would just go home and we go from there.
I wasn't trying to.
What do you?
Here. Put them on the table for me and switch. I'm going to talk to man.
So yeah, the worst that could potentially happen, like I said, it's either jail time. You might spend maybe a day or two. But the best that could happen is you guys go home and then you guys have, a court date. How long have you been here in the United States?
2.5 years.
2.5 years? Is this the first time you've ever been in trouble?
I don't buy this much. I'm normally buying $30. I have all the time bills,
You don't have
$30.
to explain yourself. It's okay. Just relax. Take a deep breath. All right. I know it's the first thing. You guys never been in trouble with law enforcement, right?
Never so.
Okay. So
We just
So this is the first time you've been caught. Okay. This ain't the first time you did it. All right. This ain't the first time you did it. This is just the first time you've been caught. Don't cry now. You wasn't crying when you was taking them gifts.
have to give somebody as a gift, nothing else. It's our
your husband was saying that you guys had like $200 or $300, right?
sorry.
Your husband was saying that you guys had like $200 or $300.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm gonna pay because I have a card.
Whatever you had that you paid for, that's what you're taking home. Anything else?
Yeah, but I
What? Switch.
You step back here. Just hang out right here. Both of you guys just hang out on that side.
they're here for vacation.
He's here for vacation?
Yeah.
How long are you gonna be here?
No, they are going day after tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow's your last day? Okay, so you're flying back. Alright. You guys seem like It's just a lapse of judgment, right? So that's the thing. And it's unfortunate, I get it. But is it worth it? Right?
It's not a lapse of judgment. It's $397.
I don't mind that. So, $397. That's a lot of stuff. You've never.
See, yeah, the lady cop gotta check the guy cop, man. This ain't no lax of judgment. Stop being soft, man. They know exactly what's going on. They know exactly what's going on. This ain't their first time taking anything. This is the first time they've been caught. Okay? And she probably been taking stuff, you know, she been here for a little while, so she probably the mastermind. This one right here with the glasses. She probably the mastermind. The other two are here visiting. She been here for a while. She know that. Come on, man.
You've been in trouble with law enforcement, is that correct?
No.
No, you haven't? Or yes, you have.
Sorry?
Have you been in trouble?
Like this?
Yes.
No.
Okay, have you been in trouble in general?
Yeah.
No. Okay. So hopefully that should help a little bit. But she'll let you know what happens next. I can't, me, if I was in charge of this investigation, I'm just being honest with you guys, all three of you would go to jail. That's just me, but I'm not in charge. I'm not in charge, just so you know. Okay? I'm not in charge. Just keep that in mind, I'm not in charge. Okay, she's the one in charge. Now I'll let you know what's gonna happen next.
Put them. You can put them
You going, good?
in another chair and hold up. Close real quick. I don't like when people be like, it was a mistake, it was a mistake. No. A mistake is you pass it and it didn't ring.
And you thought it did.
Another thing is you putting everything, running to the car, putting stuff, coming back and filling up another bag. That was intentional.
That's intentional.
And he was like, oh, but it wasn't for us. It was a gift for someone else. 333. Lo que no tienen, no regala. Like,
Oh, Latina. Oh yeah. Your ass is grass, boy. Oh yeah, you know she listen. When they start speaking that Spanglish, yeah, that's Spanish and English mixed together. When they start speaking that, oh yeah, you cooked. You're cooked. You're cooked. This right here, this is all I needed to see, man.
I was like, oh, but it wasn't for us. It was a gift for someone else. 333. Lo que no tienen, no regala. Like, real talk.
It's true. I told her, like, if you can't afford it.
I would normally take you three, but I don't fit all three in the car. I'm cutting you the break so that you can bail them out of jail. Do you understand? So now you have to use the money that you could have used to pay for their groceries originally to bail your brother and your sister-in-law out of jail so that they can make it home on their flight on time. Regardless of if they they're going to jail and everything happens, if they have a court date and they have to come back, they're gonna have to set it up and come back or never come back to America, whichever one. So they're gonna have to handle whatever the legal things are through you, okay? I'll probably put the bail, it'll probably be $50 per person. So it's $500 whenever they see the judge. So it'll be $500 for each, but you only pay 10%. So you're gonna pay $50 and $50 depending whatever I put the bail at, okay? And then
Nah, it'll be 100. It'll be 100 because no bondsman or whatever. Because it's 10% and they don't take nothing less than 100.
they'll call you from their phones or wherever from the jail and tell you to come pick them up, okay? Today? I don't know when. I only arrest. I don't do the court stuff. You keep saying please, it has nothing to do with that. If you want to ask for forgiveness, you can talk to whoever you religiously believe in. Do you have any questions to me about the case?
I know what I do right now.
Right now, you take their stuff. You guys are cool with her taking whatever is your bags? Okay, you take your bags, your groceries that you paid for, and you go home. And you wait for them to give you a call and tell you to pick them up. And then you have to come with money, because you can't steal them out of jail. You're gonna have to bring money, bail them out, and then they can go home and they'll give the court and the corrections side will give you guys instructions as far as what they need to do.
Okay, so they must have their own thing where you could pay them 10%. So yeah, okay, it'll be $50 because if you're going through a bondsman, the least is $100
with the charges, and then yours will come in the mail later. Okay? Any questions for me?
So I'm waiting for the call only right now.
They'll give you a call when they're ready to be picked up. They'll call you from the jail. I have your number and I'll give it to them.
For today.
I already told you 10 times.
Damn, is she slow? Like, what's up with this lady, man?
When they're ready to be picked up, they'll call you from the jail. I have your number and I'll give it to them.
For today.
I already told you 10 times. I don't know when. It doesn't matter when they were leaving because you guys decided to do commit your crime. So
Man, lock her up too, man.
Stop because you guys decided you wanted to steal and then they've been arrested. Your plane, if they miss it, they miss it. It is what it is. You have to reschedule it, okay? So you can leave and they're not trespassing you or anything like that. Just pay attention for that, okay? No, you're not.
Oh yeah, lock her up,
what
man.
I'm saying is you can now grab your stuff and go. I'm gonna deal with them.
Oh, she's still standing there?
Have a good day. Go ahead. Yeah, she got the keys. Go. You standing here it's making me take longer with them. Go. Wait, I need you to grab one.
You what?
Grab one.
Yeah, I'm here.
Thank you.
Where we need to go?
Police car. Or anyone?
No.
Congratulations.
We make them.
Stand right there. Stand right there against the car.
All three were charged with petty theft. Later, they would have the charges dropped after each completed a pre-trial diversion program.
Look at that. Buckled in and everything.
Man, yo, that lady would have annoyed the one that's been in the States, the sister. Boy, she would have my blood boiling, boy. She keeps standing there asking the same goddamn question. Man, you ask one more question, your ass is going, man. I'm trying to cut you a break because you would be going too. I'm trying to cut you a break, but don't let me call back up and get me another car over here, man. She's sitting there, but what do I do? How many times do I gotta explain it to you, man? Your brother or fiance, whatever, they get a phone call. They're going to call you when they're ready in their process to be picked up. Take your ass home, wait for the phone call. When you get the phone call, stop at the ATM and bring some money down here and get their ass on up out of here so they could get on their flight and go home. What part don't you understand? She had to explain that like 4 times. And this lady just still standing there. Please. Please. Man. Lady, if you don't get the stepping, you about to go. You about to go too. And nobody, y'all all gonna be fucked. Get it together. Listen and pay attention. Don't listen to respond, because you responding is going to take too much time, man. And I might change my mind. Right now I'm being lenient, but I might change my mind. You keep standing there saying this bullshit, man. Anyways, man, yeah, you know. Man, people come on vacation. This is why they got problems with foreigners. This is it right here. Insane, man. Cops did a decent job. Yeah, once I heard her start switching up to the Spanish, I said, "Oh yeah, they cooked, boy." Well, the first sign was when the guy officer was talking to the suspects. And she opened the door and she checked him quick. Checked him. Nah, it ain't no I said, ooh, wee. Lady cops don't be playing no games, boy. Lady cops don't be playing no games, especially when it's lady suspects. Oh yeah, she gonna tighten them up, boy. So yeah, I get off the lady cop. I give her a 5, man. The other guy, he don't really get no grade. He just back up. He just there for shits and giggles, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right, and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.